Hi and welcome to 12 Cards of Christmas 2019. We are going to make a twisted easel card, and these are all the parts that you need. We're going to start with the large rectangle and fold it in half. All the measurements for all the pieces are in the cutting guide that you can download in the link in the description under the video. Now we're going to take the bottom square and fold it diagonally along the center fold line. Always use your bone folder to burnish the folds. Make it nice and crisp. And this is the part that is going to stand up on the card. Now we are going to bring the front panel of the card. We're going to glue both pieces together, and then before we attach that to the card, I want to glue the pieces in the inside of the card. So you have two pieces. Again, all the measurements are in the cutting guide that you can download for free in the link under the video in the description. Just click the link and then you'll be able to download all the measurements for all the cards. So we are going to add this piece here. This is the inside of the card. Just going to trim that a little bit. Now for the outer panel, we're going to apply glue only on the right bottom triangle, because this is the part, like I said, that is going to stand up. So we don't want to glue it to the entire front panel, just to the triangle, and then I'm going to show you how that works. So once that's dry, you'll be able to see this is going to go like this. So now all we need to do is add the little stopper. I just took a 1-inch punch and punched a circle from the pattern paper that I have. All pattern papers that I use on the 12 Cards of Christmas 2019 series are from Graphic 45. So I'm going to take foam tape and then lift up the panel and decide exactly where I want my stopper to go. I think I'm going to put it here, and the foam tape is going to make it nice and strong, so it will stop the easel card properly. Now just embellish the front with whatever embellishments you want. You can add flowers, papers, sentiments. I just cut a few more pieces from pattern paper that I'm adding, and I'm also going to add this nice punched circle with foam tape. And this is a really easy card, but it has a very striking effect for presentation. So this is the card. I hope you liked this video. Join me for the rest of the 12 Cards of Christmas 2019 series, and I'll see you next time.